this guy's one such artist. Goes by the name Gonaboy. If you know him, you want to ask him anything, any suggestions, keep them coming through MX24 TV. Hashtag is MX Live. And yeah, Gonaboy, was that right?
Yeah.
What I said, was it right?
Yeah.
I mean, like, you are your music, right? You represent
everything.
What you speak about.
Everything.
For those who don't know you, I mean, if we look at the music with what I said, about you representing where you're from and representing your people. For those who don't know you again, who is this guy, man, behind the music?
This is Gonaboy. I just feel it. When I feel it, I get to the studio. I'm from that day, like, it just reflects. Yeah, it just reflects. No bossy melody. Fix it there, the pain. Yeah, just for the people.
The pain, this journey.
Yeah.
What has been like the most difficult part of this journey so far, man?
Me, for sure, I don't really see I'm like it be difficult. Yeah, for sure, me. I just try work. Whatever the work, the outcome you go come with the whole life, na your movie.
Nice.
Yeah, I don't really do.
But that's a good mindset.
Yeah.
Like, for real. Like, I mean, a lot of people then go tell you, say, Charlie, it don't be problem or it just be life, and Charlie, we move. And I don't know, it seems like that's the vibe you have, that's the mentality you have, that Charlie, we just they push, you just keep going.
We just they go.
Nice one. I like that. Let's go back. How did it start for you, man? Music?
Music is just from home.
Okay.
It's just from home, traditionally. Like, when there's funerals and that, my mommy, she would chant.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's like from home, she would chant.
Okay.
Yeah, so them they chant. She would say what you do, the good things you do, the bad things you do.
For real?
Yeah. Like,
Whoa.
great people, especially people who are from, like, the traditional, like, homes.
Okay.
Like the chiefs and others.
Okay,
like,
okay.
That's what she did do.
She has that eye.
Yeah.
Oh, bro.
Yeah.
That's...
Music is just from home. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm assuming, when you told mom you want to do music, she was cool with it.
Me, I don't tell her, I just do.
Oh, so how she find out?
And she just be cool with them. She just.
So did she like see your music or she hear your song for times like, nah, that's my baby boy?
Oh, she did hear my music. She be proud of him.
Okay. Shout to your mom, man. Shout to her. That's cool. It seems like you really love the music you do. Was it always music though, or was there something along the line where music just come along the way?
Me, I say, many say and then it be music.
Okay.
Yeah. So I just hold them where I just push through. Okay. Then school, I'm a student too, yeah.
Okay. Which school, may I ask?
Legon.
Oh, that boy be guy like that. Legon boys. You see, I start the conversation, I was like, this guy, he gets some swag, some different kind of swag. So now if the Legon, now I get it. Okay, nice one. So, your type of music, what type of music does Gonaboy make?
I know they want to define my genre at the moment. Because every day I see different things about me, myself.
Okay.
I dey enter studio, make my mind that I won't do this. I open my mouth, like my voice go bring something different. Yeah, so I dey try know myself more.
Okay.
And the
You're discovering yourself on the journey.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's just me. I don't want to be doing one thing.
Okay.
So me try but say more things together.
More things together.
Yeah.
What about the things that you talk about? Is it also like a wide spectrum of things? Like today, we go talk about party, tomorrow we go talk about love, next day we go talk about the streets, then we go talk about family, or do you like to focus on one particular thing when it comes to the content of the music?
At the moment, I'm just focused on what I see, what they tell me, how I take it, how I'm trying to grow myself, the negative, the positive that comes with it. Me being mature sometimes, maybe immature sometimes. Yeah. I'm just talking about me and how I see it.
We're human beings.
Yeah. Right? See, the way me I say and what I say. So the story go fit change more than I say something else.
Yeah.
Be say my head go there somewhere else. That we all. Yeah.
Even when you bet on side, we enter studio, go like, okay, hard guy.
Yeah.
So anytime you go drop music, I go like, so that's what they're gonna what they do. Okay. Nice one. But it seems like there's a lot of positivity when it comes to music because Black Sharif and a couple of other people, is a small God, were vibing to your songs. How does that feel, man?
Charlie, greatness, yeah. KK be like brother, yeah. Small God to be father, yeah. KK be like big bro.
You guys look alike. Is it just me? Or these guys look alike?
For sure.
Or is it just me? Or it's the mannerisms? Okay, I think that's the word.
So.
I think your vibe.
Maybe so.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
Maybe
Have you guys known each other like for a long time or not really?
Yeah, music brought us together and it's been good, yeah.
Okay.
He's a good person.
Okay. Have you ever worked with him?
Plenty things are going.
Oh, Charlie, I'm sure there's something coming up.
Oh, nah.
And he doesn't want to say.
Plenty things are going, yeah.
Oh, I like this guy. I'm sure there's something coming up. Okay, so last year, how many songs you released? Because we played a song that was long ago.
Yeah.
Last year, 2020. How was it for you as an artist?
Growth. Yeah,
Okay.
growth. I didn't expect it though. Like, I didn't expect to even get people listening to my music early like that. Yeah, of course. I decided just to start bringing the music out and people started listening to it. It was different for me. That's why I don't want to talk about the difficulties, what I face and all that.
Okay.
Immediately I decided to drop music. I had people like wanting to listen. Yeah, that kind of vibe. And see, last year, let's say 3 singles, features, and all that.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice one. I respect that. Your new song, Abile.
Yeah.
I think we have it. We're going to play. Tell us about that song, man. What's Abile?
I believe it's just about me being confident, me standing firm, me seeing myself as one. Yeah, before you go fit do anything, you go fit see yourself as that person first. Yeah,
Manifest.
Yeah, you be so. So that's just it for me. That's Abele.
Okay. We actually have the song.
Yeah.
You recorded it last year.
Last year.
Released it last year.
Yeah.
November. Okay. So guys, let's enjoy this. When we get back, we're going to talk to him more about his plans for the year. Enjoy.
You my brother, still my brother. Never knew you no good day when they come. Only tap the pakasau. See the water flowing, way. See the water flowing, salam. Peace to you, no they do don't fade away. Abele, I see my name on the A-list. I boom on the side, it the blast. Yeah, bam. What a bam bam, Abele. I see my name on the A-list.
Roger's got a free performance. Can I please get a round of applause in the background? Come on now. Bro, you and Black Sharif on the song will be something else. So when is that song dropping?
Charlie.
You see what I did there?
God.
You go do it.
Yeah, God go
Bro,
carry me.
Charlie, that's a really cool song, man. How's the response been to that, man?
Crazy,
right? I'm not surprised.
Crazy.
I'm not surprised. So you dropped this, but there's no official music video yet.
It'll come.
Yeah. When? Bro, how come I'm not in that video, man? Like, what's going on? Did a couple of reshoots.
I will text you.
Come on now. Come on now. I want to be in that video. That would be so dope.
I would text you.
Yeah, Charlie. But yeah, I really can't wait to see the video for that. Are we going to get more singles this year, though? Even though this one, you're still promoting it and it's still out there?
This year is just like more singles, maybe a body of work.
Okay.
Yeah. Just expect everything, yeah. The songs are there. We are just trying to present it better. Yeah, in a better way, for it to make sense.
Yeah, I feel like you really go with the flow. Like, you're just doing your thing.
Yeah.
Like, you're just releasing the music. It's like you have no constraints, you know, and this is just like off talking to you. This conversation is like, you drop the music, let the universe just do what it's going to do. And I know God is going to bless you, you know. I pray you're going to do bigger things. I hope we get more music.
Amen.
Shout out to your mom and tell her I said hello, man.
Hello, Mama Pura.
Shout out to him. And bro, is there anything you want to add? Maybe any shouts you want to give before you leave?
Charlie, shout out to my people where they hold me up. Yeah, I'm independent, but I have my people who hold me up. They're like brothers.
Whoa, you're independent?
Yeah.
No record label?
Nah.
Wow, congratulations on that, man. That's big, bro. That's big.
Charlie, my people, I really be stubborn, but yeah, I really be stubborn. So as them they hold me, Charlie, bless up, yeah, bless up. Bless up. Everybody, bless up to Black Hole. Charlie, why they do on a low? He they inspire everybody. We are the youths. He they inspire everybody. We at the moment, Ghanaians, young acts near Dawson. Listen to everybody, young quiet to me make a playlist. Until we had to feel like the sound, we are all like heading towards one side. Therefore, just accept everybody for who the person is and not try to box some of us. with the bab. Yeah, that just be what I have said.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Don't box anyone in. Chala, I think you've said everything, man. And these songs, they're on all platforms. People can go and buy them.
Every corner. I just said Gonaboy on all socials, Gonaboy PSB. Charlie. Share more town hello, Mecca hello.
Yeah. What's the meaning of Gonaboy though? Where did that name come from?
Gona is my real name. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, like from home, grandmother. Like you have to end. It was so anything. You end that name.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, that's dope.
Yeah.
Okay. Gonaboy. That's.
Yeah, Gona is my name, so I just added the boy for.
Abab. Charlie, thank you so much for coming through. Please find him, buy his music. It's been a very interesting interview, and I hope I get to talk to you some more. Can't wait to see the video, man. You have to bring it.
Yeah, because I plenty. I they watch between.
Thank you. Yeah, I got you.
Between.
I got you, bro. Yeah, with their streets. I believe to the
so.
whole Yase.
I believe to the whole Yase.
Guys, I have to sign off now. Please find him, enjoy his music, support him. I always say the number one way to support these artists is to buy the music. You know, when we do that, money goes into the pockets. That's how we get the music videos. That's just fact, right? That's how we get the performances, and that's how we get them looking good. We always say they should travel, they should take pictures, they should have international features. The number one way is to buy the music, get the views up. You know, let's get the follows up. Let's tell someone to tell somebody up and keep the support going as much as possible. To everyone who's tuned in, thank you so very much. I appreciate you guys. Have a very wonderful afternoon. I have to leave him to go back to the studio.
Yeah, more songs.
Yeah, more songs. Have a very wonderful afternoon, man. Salute.
Blessings.